second numbers conspicuously. But I got the look of a privileged aristocrat, and I'm still searching for quarters at the laundromat. Noises in the background, flowers on the screen. Get a pain in your brain when you deja vu. You got the presence of a good witch surrounding you. And you got the look of a privileged aristocrat, but you're still searching for quarters at the laundromat. Thank you, guys. Thank you. We're just jamming.
We're filling back up again.
They're making stuff up as we go.
I've never played the part behind key.
I was programmed. Okay, so that was a brand new thing. Did you figure out what key it was?
I think that was the key. I was playing
That's not like putting the fingers on a fretless thing.
goodbye. Spread your ashes in the water. At least we tried. The wind picked up, we're all around. One last funny, and it made me smile. Never get another chance to say goodbye. We walked on the beach that day, and I watched her kneel, knee deep in the water. She let you spill. Never get another chance to say goodbye. Never get another chance to say goodbye. Take it from me, my friend, when you say goodbye. Let your flow from your heart, the reason why. Never get another chance to say goodbye. Never get another chance to say goodbye. Thank you, guys.
Hold on.
This
Lights
goes
up in here.
Yeah, it is. What time is it? Let's try two edits again. Can we get a good version of two edits? You're recording, right? Physical attraction, purest as core. Love is too weak a word to describe how much I adore. I remember when we used to walk down to the store, jump the fence and I'd make sure your feet touch the floor. Too bad You're my other half. You're my lover and my best friend. Found each other in this life, and we'll find each other again. Moral of the story is that it's just you and me. We the only things real in this reality. Otra mitad tú eres mi otra mitad. You're my other half. Thank you, guys. That was the 27th anniversary song for Miss Rachel over there. With you, my dear, will always last. We're like two branches of the same tree, and I'm crazy, crazy in love too. I'm crazy, crazy in love. It's true. And I know you're crazy for me too. You a song and singing the same one for years. When I do, you always sing along, and it's always music to my ears. Laying next to you is where I wanna be. We're like two branches of the very same tree. Two branches of the same tree, and I'm crazy. know you're crazy for me too. Thank you guys. Thank you, man. Thanks for showing up.
Oh, no. You were just getting warmed up.
What's that? What time? 2:30? Oh, no, we're there for 3. 3's good. 3 hours. Oh, I'm sorry. I see you too. I was talking with a friend of mine. Said things would never change. But it failed to realize. Yeah. I was watching a volumeless screen, and I had the turntable on. Man, the world is going crazy. I'll just listen to a sound. I was watching a volumeless screen, and the man came on. Somebody shot John Lennon. I knew right then I'd never touch a guy Talking with a friend of mine. Talking with a friend of I broke a string.
That never happens.
On my acoustic.
Everybody give it up. Kurt broke a string.
Thank you, guys.
That's a sign of a different singer-songwriter.
I think I'm done. Oh, I think we're done.
Oh,
Maybe 2:04. How much? 2:30.
well, we got Pablo, we got John.
Yeah. Continue.
Grab my guitar.
Yeah, you better grab a guitar. He broke his string. I've never seen Kurt break a string.
You might find out this one.
Try this one.
You said that you would be above it, and now you finally learned to shove it. Why hide the truth when you're in favor? It's time to pull along that lever. Have you finally learned to shove it? Why hide the truth when you're in favor? It's time to pull along your lever. Trapped in your head, lost, what a dread. Trapped in your mind, lost, waste of time. Trapped in your head, lost, what a dread. Trapped in your mind, lost, waste of time.